Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can change copyright text in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see on the bottom there is a copyright text. Just you can go here in the theme customizer. After that, here you can see theme customizer is loading. Now you can edit all the options in the theme customizer. Scroll down and here you can find out footer. Here you can see. Now after that, click here bottom bar. Now scroll down and here you can add footer credits. So whatever you will add that will replace copyright text. Now here you can add, for example, designed by. Here you can add your website link. For that you can add some HTML tag to make it link. So just you can type here HTML anchor text. Now let's open this website and here just you can add your website link in between inverted commas, and after that here will be link text. Just we can copy this and after that add this code here. Now you can simply copy website URL and add here to replace it with this URL, and here you can add the text, your website name, for example latestmovieswatch.com, then click publish. So in this way you can easily change copyright text in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see text is changed.